Welcome back to the channel, where technology meets creativity. Today, we're diving into the most anticipated drone release of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone promises to set a new standard for aerial photography and videography. With exciting leaks and rumors circulating, we'll explore its potential features, design upgrades, and how it could revolutionize the compact drone market over the years. DJI's Mini series has become a favorite among drone enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of portability, performance, and innovation. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to take this legacy to the next level with advanced technology that rivals even DJI's flagship models. While DJI has not officially announced a release date, industry insiders suggest a launch in mid-2025. This aligns with DJI's typical product cycle, allowing enough time for thorough testing and refinement. As for pricing, leaks indicate a range between $799 and $999, making it a premium choice for serious drone users. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a larger 1-inch sensor, capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48 MP stills. This upgrade ensures better low-light performance and dynamic range, making it ideal for professional photography and videography. Safety is a top priority, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to include omnidirectional obstacle sensors. These advanced sensors will allow the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, providing a worry-free flying experience. Battery life is crucial for any drone user. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to offer up to 40 minutes of flight time, setting a new benchmark for compact drones. This extended duration ensures you can capture more footage without constant recharging. Enhanced wind resistance, redesigned motors, and aerodynamics ensure stability in challenging conditions. Faster speeds. With a rumored top speed of 55 kilometers per hour, the Mini 5 Pro is perfect for capturing dynamic action shots. Low noise operation. Improved propeller design reduces noise, making it less intrusive in quiet environments. The Mini 5 Pro could include 5G connectivity for seamless live streaming and ultra-low latency controls. Enhanced remote controllers, featuring built-in displays for better visibility. High-capacity batteries, offering even longer flight times. Portable charging hubs, for on-the-go convenience. The DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out for its ability to combine professional-grade features with an ultralight design. Weighing under 250 grams, it complies with global drone regulations, eliminating the need for registration in many regions. This user-friendly approach ensures accessibility for both beginners and professionals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and other cutting-edge tech.